Today, I am reviewing the KNKA Air Purifier. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been using the KNKA APH4000 air purifier in my home for several weeks now, and it has genuinely transformed the environment in my living space. When you first set this unit up, the first thing you notice is the substantial build quality and the dual intake design. Unlike many purifiers that pull air from a single side, this machine features front and back air intakes with dual side outlets. This engineering choice is not just for show. It creates a massive amount of circulation that you can actually feel. In a large room, this high-velocity airflow is critical because it ensures that the air in the corners of the room is actually being pulled through the filters rather than just circulating the same patch of air near the device. The performance is backed by AHAM verification, which gave me a lot of peace of mind. Many brands make bold claims about square footage, but having that certified CADR value of 226 for smoke and dust means it is officially recognized for its efficiency. In my testing, placing this in a large room of about 350 square feet resulted in a total air refresh roughly every 12 minutes. Even when I moved it into a much larger open concept area nearing 1,700 square feet, it maintained a consistent cleaning cycle that kept the air feeling light and crisp rather than stagnant. The filtration system is where the KNKA really pulls ahead of the competition. It uses dual cartridges, so you are essentially getting twice the surface area of a standard purifier. Each cartridge has a 3-stage design. The washable pre-filter is a huge cost saver because it catches the large clumps of dust and pet hair that usually clog up expensive HEPA filters. Behind that is the true HEPA filter and the activated carbon layer. I noticed a significant reduction in cooking odors and that lingering stale smell that can happen in the winter when windows stay shut. If you have pets, the dedicated pet mode is a game changer. It ramps up the fan speed to specifically target dander and hair, and I found it much more effective at neutralizing pet odors than my previous single filter unit. One of my favorite features is the real-time air quality index display. The color-coded lights are bright and easy to read from across the room. It is very satisfying to see the light shift from red to blue as the machine works through a spike in particles, such as after vacuuming or cooking. The auto mode is incredibly intelligent. It reacts almost instantly to changes in the air quality. If I start searing something in the kitchen, the sensors pick up the smoke particles within seconds and boost the fan speed without me having to touch a button. For those worried about electricity costs or noise, the ECO and sleep modes are expertly tuned. Eco mode is brilliant because it puts the machine into a standby state once the air quality reaches an excellent level, only waking up when it detects a drop in quality. This extends the filter life and saves on the power bill. At night, the sleep mode is impressively quiet, dropping down to about 22 decibels. It is a very low, soothing hum that is easy to sleep through, and the display lights dim so they don't disturb your rest. Maintenance is straightforward. The machine tells you exactly when the filters need replacing, which takes the guesswork out of the process. While you do have to replace them every 3 to 6 months depending on your air quality, the performance justifies the investment. Overall, the KNKA APH4000 is a powerhouse. It combines industrial-strength airflow with smart, user-friendly features that make it perfect for anyone dealing with allergies, pets, or just the general dust of a busy home. It is a reliable, high-capacity cleaner that actually delivers on its promises.